Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to cut a video in CapCut. So I've got CapCut open here and I'm going to quickly import a short video that I'm interested in cutting. So let's say this video right here. As you can see, it's been uploaded into my timeline and you can cut a video right here in the media browser very quickly by clicking on the video, and while it's selected, you're going to see a tab or a button open up here at the sides, and you can drag this left or right to cut to the important parts of the video that you'd like to include. You can also cut it much more finely and much more precisely by dragging the video into your timeline, just as I've done there, and doing so this way. As you can see, I'm able to manipulate the start and the end of the video and get to the part that I want to show. So there are plenty of ways to be able to cut your video, and another way I am going to show you how you can do so is by hovering over the video, moving the playhead to where you like the video to start, and then clicking the split tool right here or pressing the keyboard shortcut Control B. So doing so will create a cut, and then you can delete the portion of the video that you don't want to include. So as you can see, there are plenty of ways to do so, and there are ways, and the best way. So as you can see, there are plenty of ways to cut a video, and the method you will prefer will most likely depend on the type of workflow that you are doing. Whether you just want to make quick cuts while you're importing videos here, this is very quick and very easy and will no longer need any timeline manipulation. But if you also need to do more precise cutting, that's when you're going to want to drag the entire clip over. That's when you're going to want to drag the entire clip over and then make more precise adjustments here in the timeline by zooming in or zooming out or just moving the playhead. So those are three ways you can cut videos in CapCut. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.